One day, we're gonna be on that stage. One day. Abutin natin ang 100,000 subscribers. Kaya natin yan. Push natin yan. Nearly there. We just arrived at 11,000 subscribers. Oh yeah! Small milestone, but malapit na. 89,000 na lang.
Welcome to YouTube FanFest!
Why do they have YouTube FanFest on a Friday? Friday is the worst day to have an event in Manila because of this. That's what we're gonna go through later. But seriously, YouTube FanFest, make it on any other day of the week, just not Friday. Biyernes kasi yung pinakagrabe pagdating sa traffic. Bebe, you made it! You made it, bebe! Hello, I forgot my wedding ring. Patay. Last year we went there and no one really knew who we were. This year I wonder how many people know us.
Don't count them yet.
Sabi ko last year, one day, we'll get on that stage. We will, next year, right, baby? Push natin yan.
You're beautiful, you shine like a star.
Mas mabilis ang MRT ngayon dahil mas madami ang mga train, di ba, baby? They added like another train or two. The line is moving faster than normal, but that is the line.
Hello darkness, my old friend.
Grabe. Ang haba. Ayun, nandito na kami sa World Trade Center. Ay, salamat. Lighting lady. Media, VIP, pwede. Pwede po. Anong pangalan ng love team nyo?
Uy, wala po. Hindi.
Wala. Sikat ka, bebe.
Dere.
Sikat ka na. Oh, sure. Sige pa.
Dito lang ako.
1, 2.
Hey!
Itong fanboy ni Brillantes. Shoutout sa'yo, kuya. Love you.
Okay.
Ayaw. Salamat.
1, 2. Thank you po.
Salamat. So we're gonna go in there, we're gonna party it up, we're gonna see if we can get Will Dasovich to pull us up on stage, baby, huh? Yeah, we're a super fan, Shanta. Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Nasa YouTube ka na, te. Ano pangalan mo?
Alexi po.
Alexi, nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you.
Alright, let's go.
Please proceed to the center.
Sige ba, salamat. Hello po, yeah, sure. Picture tayo, baby. It's the king himself. It's the Dasovich. Let's go into the main section where they do the live show. Yes.
Let's check the other side. We got a big room today. How's everyone over here? Better megapixels on the front for vloggers and selfie fanatics like you and me. We got the AI face access, dual rear camera, and honestly, my favorite spec
My
of
Vivo
all of
commercial
this is that Steph Curry uses this phone. Who's a Warriors fan? Did I get anyone from the Bay? I think it's time to take a selfie. One epic selfie. Now let me let you guys in on a little secret. There's only going to be one selfie tonight on the main stage, and that's happening right here, right now. 1, 2, 3. One on stage with me. Just 1, 2, 3.
sige. Thank you.
Here she is.
Hi, everyone! Hi! Oh my gosh, there's so many people! Well, I'm just very happy right now because 1 year ago, I met someone special and now I'm together performing on stage.
Mother's Day, everyone.
Happy Mother's Day!
You gotta do it for your mom. I have a mother in this band. Can you pick them up?
Ako ang bida ngayon. Aking ang
Go baby, make a face. Thumbnail.
Loving that last pose! Yes! So,
Anak, are you ready? Oh my goodness! Look at your baby puwet. Oh, mommy loves it. Oh, where did you get that shrimp? Did you drop it there? Or that's
Mom!
Oh, that's baby Titi. Mommy's baby Titi.
Mom, get out!
Whatever. Well, you know what? You just need to dance.
Wait, you mean like this?
Pomelo swing! Pomelo swing, baby! Pomelo!
Oh my God! What the beautiful pastel! Hindi yung naligo! Oh my God! Ang daming tao! Grabe! Hey guys! It's fun!
Naligo ka na ba?
Ako hindi pa!
Kailangan ka ba?
Aba, syempre wala! Eh, kayo ba? Naligo ba kayo? Sa hindi pa, pero kaming regalo. Pag sinabi ko ulit, sabihin mo ko! Pag sinabi ko ulit, sabihin mo ko! Li! Go! Li, li, li! Go, go, go! Li, 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 li! Go, go, go!
let's give another round of applause for Sarah Joy! Amazing! Says that.
One day,
So
we'll be
while
on
I was
the
waiting, I
stage,
saw
baby.
all of
Sunod na
FFPH,
taon,
okay?
nandun na kami
So
sa
it's something
Emplano
going
yan.
on. Dreams.
One day.
Now let's make this a fun festival.
You know what? I shouldn't say one day. Screw one day. We've got to pick a date when it's going to happen. Or else if you say one day, it'll never happen. So next year, nandun na tayo sa entablado niyan, baby, ha? Nandun na tayo sa entablado niyan next year sa YouTube FanFest. Abangan, 2019. Alright, kita-kits next year sa YouTube FanFest. Ulin tayo, baby.
You're beautiful, you shine like a star.
Hey Lou, pwede tayo mag-picture?
Ay, sure!
Ayun.
How did you know my name?
Kasi YouTube ka, di ba?
Oh, yeah. I mean, how? Like, wala lang. Nagulat lang ako.
Ayun, salamat.
Nice to meet you.
Ikaw din pa.